Hello, this is Stephanie from IPassTheCMAexam.com. Today I'll share my thoughts on the benefits of getting CMA versus CPA qualification. Before we start, let's be clear on what these qualifications represent. CPA, which stands for Certified Public Accountant in the US, is a license granted by State Board of Accountancy in the United States. The license is used for accountants to perform certain tasks, such as signing the audit reports. CMA stands for Certified Management Accountant. It is not a license, so it does not give holders privilege as in the case of the CPA. It is instead a certification granted by the Institute of Management Accountant to demonstrate a level of expertise in areas relevant to management accounting. The certification is meant for accountants working in corporates, businesses, and non-profit organizations. What's great about CPA? Here are some of the reasons why you may want to go for the CPA designation. First, recognition and prestige. The US CPA designation is one of the most, if not the most, recognized accounting qualifications in the world. The AICPA has the longest history and the largest number of members among all accounting professional associations. Having the CPA title after your name means prestige and recognition among your peers and business partners in the accounting industry and the corporate world. Second, high standard in exam and licensing requirements. The CPA designation is also respected because of its strict rules on eligibility. With the 150 credit hours requirement, all candidates are required to have a level of education equivalent to a master's degree. Most states ask for accounting and business courses similar to what is needed for an accounting major. Also, most states require candidates to complete 1 to 2 years of experience supervised by another CPA. The standard is high relative to other qualifications, and this makes the CPA name stand out from the crowd. Third, the most versatile among accounting qualifications. The CPA exam covers a wide variety of topics, including financial accounting, auditing, corporate governance, U.S. taxation, business laws and ethics, management accounting, strategic planning, corporate finance, financial management, and economics. Because of this, a CPA is seen to have a broad set of skills, and this opens a lot of doors for them. This is particularly the case for new niches within accounting and finance where there is not yet a niche-specific qualification. CPAs often have the first mover advantage in these areas. What's great about CMA? First, CMA is relevant to 3/4 of accounting jobs. It is not surprising that most accountants work in corporate versus CPA firms. 70 to 80% of accountants in the US work in the industry. The accounting jobs with highest demands, among them financial analysts, business analysts, and cost accountants, are highly relevant to the CMA certification. Second, it's cheaper and faster. On the practical side, it's cheaper and faster to become a CMA versus a CPA. The exam requirements is a lot simpler. The IMA takes care of the application and certification process, versus in a CPA, you have to select a State Board of Accountancy and deal with various bodies such as the NASPA and the AICPA. On the exam itself, there are only 2 parts versus 4 parts in the CPA exam. The scope is also limited to management accounting and financial management. In a way, you can see CMA with higher return on your time and effort. Third, too tough to get qualified for the CPA exam. I understand that some of you may have gone through education many years ago or outside of the US, so the latest CPA requirements makes it very hard for you to get qualified. CMA presents the next best alternative of a sound accounting qualifications in the US. If you're interested in pursuing a career in cost accounting and strategic management in big companies, CMA qualification has the most value in this area. Fourth, CMA is globally recognized. There are a number of CMA qualifications around the world, such as the CIMA from the UK, CMA in Canada, and in Australia. But the CMA from the IMA is arguably the most global, with its footprint getting very strong in China and in the Middle East. If you foresee career opportunities in these important regions in the world, getting the CMA certification is worth your investment. I hope this video helps you decide whether to pursue the CPA or CMA. If you have any thoughts, comments, or stories to tell, please drop me a note in the comment section. You might want to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.